In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a zone in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to effectively mark zones on your charts can significantly enhance your trading strategies. So, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is choose your time frame and identify the zone of interest. TradingView offers varying time frames, so try switching to a 1-hour, 4-hour, or even a daily chart. These longer periods can help you get a clearer picture of where key price movements have occurred. Specifically, look for areas on the chart where the price has rebounded several times. Often, these are the zones that act as crucial support or resistance levels, marking essential decision points in the market. Taking the time to identify these areas properly can make a big difference in your trading. Once you've identified these key zones, it's time to visually mark them using the rectangle tool, which is especially effective for this task. You'll find it in the left toolbar, right under the brush icon. Click on the rectangle icon to activate it. Now, place your first click at the top boundary of your identified zone, which could be a swing high, and then simply drag it down to the bottom boundary, such as a swing low. Ensure that these boundaries are precise as they represent the tops and bottoms of your zone. The more accurate you are, the more reliable your trading decisions will be. After positioning your rectangle, you may notice that you want it to extend into the future to cover potential price action. To do this, double-click on the rectangle you've drawn. This will open up the Settings menu. Look for the Coordinates tab, then find the bar number section. By increasing this number to a significantly larger value, you can project your rectangle well into the future, allowing it to adapt to forthcoming price changes and giving you a visual representation of support and resistance bands in a neat, organized manner. While you're setting up these zones, remember that they highlight areas where traders have seen significant action previously and where the market might react strongly again in the future. This tool becomes instrumental in planning and executing trades, as it gives you a frame of reference for predicting future price movements and making informed decisions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively draw and extend your trading zones in TradingView, setting you up for more strategic trading decisions. Make sure to practice this technique regularly as part of your chart analysis to become more proficient. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.